Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be adding some heavy duty end links on the Lightning. The other day I did a video on a heavy duty sway bar, but I used the stock links. So these obviously came like a couple days later, and now I'm going to put them on. So they're basically the same length, but they are much thicker. I mean, you got this little rod here, and this is considerably heavier thickness and also greasable. So I'm gonna throw these on quick and we'll see how that goes. Okay, I was able to do one side at a time, just jacking it up on one side, take the two nuts off, remove the bar or the link, and put the new one in. But much heavier duty looking, so we'll see if it tightens it up even more. That would be nice. I mean, it was fine the way it is, but why not? So the brand of these are Mev Tech, and there is their part number. Of course, I would agree to be patient, unlike me, and just put the end links on when you change the bar. Don't do two separate times. I mean, it took me 20 minutes, but it would be super easy to do it when you're putting it on, because you can get those lower bolts by the control arms, and the upper ones are like facing you, so they're a lot easier to do. But you can do it, or maybe you could even add these to your stock bar, but I recommend doing these too. I'm assuming they are going to have less deflection. That new thick solid bar, I can't see these things like not bending a little bit when you're turning back and forth, so we'll see. I'll take it for a ride. All right, so we're gonna take it for a ride down country road, because it's usually the roughest. Still generally is smooth. I didn't expect it to change, but I think it's one notch tighter than it was before. The fact that they're greasable and their thickness, I think they're gonna outlast the stock ones. I mean, those are really thin. Yeah, I would say it's a definite solid feel. I mean, I know the Swaybar did a lot, but I do believe these are helping a little bit too. So I would go ahead and do both. I had been on some other forum where somebody did both of these, and I think lowered their truck. But no, I would say they're definitely worth the change. It feels more controllable. So all in all, I'm glad where I got this thing now. To me, on the highway, seemed just where a truck should be. And so now you got the acceleration, the handling of a decent truck, and it still rides comfortable, so I couldn't ask for anything more. I will be doing a video on this for a review for the 6-7 months I've had it. I know the first time I had one, I didn't hate it, but I didn't think it was right. But this one, I couldn't be more right. So more to come on that. Mustang got a line, and I think we'll be able to get to the track event next week. That's the plan anyway. And It did run at 1180, just on a back road, like no prep, no burnout, no nothing. So with the suspension changes I did, it helped quite a bit. But please hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next one.